Hello everyone. So today we have trouble with fuel lid is not opening on this GSL 2022 model. So if you see now, I will open the car and this fuel lid supposed to open, but as you can see is not opening. So what you will do, how you will open, go here to the trunk, just open it, and then here behind you just push your hand inside like this, and then you will reach the module there to open. There is some small actuator and you just need to press it. So I will just press, you will hear it is opening. So now you will hear and see this one is open. So this part here is stuck and is not properly working. The only way you can do is to open it and try to fix, or to change only with this new spare which I took from the dealer. So this one is a genuine part. You will see the number and you will just have to replace it. So let's take normal screwdriver. I'll just walk you through the procedure how you will change this one. So just put your screwdriver here inside, here on the top. You just pull it gently down. It's a little bit harder with one hand, but it can go. So here, leave this one here, and with another one we will pop it out. So we take another flat screwdriver and you will push it here and you will just pry out, you see. So I will show one more time just to be sure that everybody knows. So just put it here on the top, leave it here like this, and then put on the top and just spray it out. See, it's very easy. So once it's out, just pull it gently and that's it. So what is the problem? From behind, so once you push this it will lock and it's supposed to unlock, but it's not working inside. Electromotor is busted, so you just need to press here. So from inside you push your hand, you will feel this knob below the rubber mat, and then you just press and you will see it's going out, you see. So you can manually open all the time, so don't get distressed if your lid is not opening. You can still fill the diesel manually. Okay, so fuel is available. So now what we'll do, we will just remove this harness slowly, and then we will just remove out. Okay, so it's a little bit hard with one hand, but you just pull out this first, this small knob, and then you just push it out. Okay, and that's it. So now we will take a new one. So this is an easy fix. You don't need to go in dealership and they will just charge you some insane amount of money. They ask from me around $150. So there is no need for that. You just insert new part very easily by yourself. Push it properly inside and then just secure this one here. And now it is in position. So how you will put back, you just need to put wire inside. Here you will see down some groove. This need to enter in this groove, okay, like support, and then just push it inside back, and then it will just snap inside. Tsk. And this means that it is in the place. So let's now test it. Now if we close, it need to be closed. If it opens, it will open. So as you see, it's very easy fix. No need to go and pay some extra money for the dealer to do this job for you. If you need some additional help, just write down and I will reply as soon as possible. And of course, if possible for you, just subscribe and like and share this video for support. Thank you everyone, and have a great day.